Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine at your home. Dear friends, in previous video we started civics lesson number 3, constitutional design. In first part we read what is constitution, what is the importance of constitution, what are the features, and we read about the Constituent Assembly. Now today our next part is those features are we found in Indian Constitution, from where that features Indian taken that. So features of Indian Constitution were borrowed from different countries. First is British Constitution, Australian Constitution, United States Constitution, Irish Constitution, Canadian Constitution, and French Constitution. So we discuss one by one these features. From what we take, which type of features we taken from the British Constitution. Firstly we start the British Constitution. We take the parliamentary form of government features, rule of law, institution of speaker, law making procedure. These type of features were taken from the British Constitution. Our next is Australian Constitution. Which type of features we taken from the Australian Constitution? The concept of concurrent list, freedom of trade and commerce between states. Next is United States Constitution. Charter of Fundamental Rights were taken from the United States. Judicial review, independence of judiciary were also taken from the United States Constitution. Next is Irish Constitution. Directive principle of state policy were drawn from the Irish Constitution. Then Canadian Constitution. Which type of features we taken from the Canadian Constitution? That is quasi-federal form of government and concept of residual power. Last is French Constitution. Which type of features drawn from the French Constitution? That is principle of liberty, equality and fraternity. So friends, we read about the Indian Constitution were influenced by the different constitution. First is British, Australian Constitution, United States Constitution, Irish Constitution, Canadian Constitution and French Constitution. So these type of features were drawn from these countries' constitution. Thanks. Stay home, stay safe.